also want to welcome Pastor Michael Abiodun Intramist. He came all the way from the USA for this World Bible Festival 2025. And by God's grace, is a member, the Shokoni Shrine of Adoration. And once again, I want to thank one of our wonderful persons, Chief Dr. Toya